The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
We do have quite a few buyers in the NASDAQ. Volume is just under average for us. Yesterday, we were missing 25% of our monthly average daily volume. Today, we are about 4,000 contracts light on the average volume when we come in, at least in the NASDAQ and ES. I haven't looked at gold or crude. It is quarter end on Friday, so I don't think that we're going to see any aggressive moves lower. I think they'll buy everything at least through the end of the week. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. The bot did finish down yesterday when we left the room. I shut it off at my max daily draw, which is 1,000. So the bot is down $1,000 for the week. After the room closed, I changed the bot to a 15-minute bot with pullback entries. Good morning, Scott. And it actually reversed that $1,000 loss and closed up over 1,200, so 2,200 in the afternoon, but on a much bigger time frame. Choppy and sloppy and lower volume. So we'll see what we get today. I'll do what I do every single day, which is read the week below 600. We could make a move down. I'm sorry. Yeah, below 600, maybe slightly under that. Looks like we could pull back here to the whole number, but you got a lot of support all the way down. Good morning, Eduardo. We'll see what we get. I'll do what I do every day, which is read the disclaimer, and then we'll take a look at charts. I don't think we have any news today of any major interest. I did not see any Fed speakers scheduled. Doesn't mean there aren't any, but I don't have them scheduled. We'll look at news in a minute. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. Good morning, Dan. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. No Fed speakers currently? Nice. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Come on. Come on. A little more push, a lot less talking. One tick. Missed by a tick. Breakout here. Got to get above this. We got it.
Is it a target at 94.25?
We got it.
Oh, okay.
I'll be done with the bots, or at least my Apex accounts today, guys. I'm at daily goal, 470, 430 with 2 left. I'm basically at goal. I'll turn that on now. We're fighting that level, that red level. We got 94. Yesterday's high is 601. I've got 2 micros left. Targets 1 and 2 are hit and filled. I'm up 470 and 430 respectively. Anybody take the long at 75? Take some risk off here, right around 90. Take some risk off here. YM's breaking down. Interesting.
I have the target at 475.
On YM,
No, NQ.
you have a target at where?
Pardon me, hang on.
I think we get back up to 601 eventually.
There's one at 17 quarter.
Morning, Mauricio. We're just sitting here, guys. Early move and now nothing. Got to get above 97. And we start working to 620.
Where's your stop on the NQ, Bob?
From my 75 entry, my stop I would be probably break even at any runners right now.
Oh, okay.
I think we can push up to 601. We do have, I lost my delta. Hang on. Reloading into script. We do have buyers.
You want me to tell you where mine at, or you just want to leave it where?
Yeah, where's yours?
52 quarter.
Got a 122 seller. Nice job, Joel. Got your daily goal for the day. Nice. We could pull back to 67.50 here, guys. Nice job, Noah. Looks like I'm going to get taken out about break even here on the bot on the 2 remaining contracts. You have a short here to 67, 68. All right, I'm out. Up 429. All right, the bot's long here. Trend bot is long. It's got to have to push back through 77 if this is going to go. Should get to 81. Come on, get that first target. Get first target is filled. That should have gone to break even. First target is filled. Seth, you in the room? I'm going to forward an email to you. Somebody is trying to get into the room. And he's saying he's getting a message the webinar has ended, which we know it hasn't. Hey, Tanya. Good morning. All right, guys, out. Well, it's not a member. Seller's trying to come back in. What's your entry, Eric? I like long, so what's your entry price? $5.94.
I like 596. So that area.
Yeah,
I agree.
if we get back through, no, Greg is not short. No, Greg is long. Looks like I got another long on this microbot. I should have turned it off because I've hit my daily goal. You dummy. Looks like we're going to break down here. All right. I closed it out. I'm still up $50. Let's get a direction. I had my daily goal. I should have shut it off. That's on me. Garbage, guys. Garbage time here. Hey, Sylvan. We're holding that 67. Looks like yesterday. Closed out of the bot a little early, but up 570 for the day and got a run. Nice job, Eric.
I'm moving my stop up to 83.75. I don't want it coming back through.
83.75 stop if you're long. This is a trade that started at 75 and is ground. When I say ground. Guys, listen, as exciting as it is to get, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a day, and you take what, we take what we can get. My bots are green. Manually trading, I'm up 485. My follower accounts on the bot are up 385 and 367 with runners. If I don't get another trade, it's green, man. We should go to 617, 618. If we break out, we really need to get above the high of the day. If we break out above the high of the day, I mean, we could get to 690.
I am going to take a target at 17.25.
I haven't even taken a PA trade yet today, Francesco. I haven't traded a PA today. The only thing I've done with PAs is 1 micro, and I'm down $1. I haven't done a PA trade yet. And I only traded it with the 1 micro to make sure I have the day in. I'll get my trades. I don't know when, but I will get a trade. I'll probably short that area up near 15 to 18 if we get up there. Come on, give me that target, big guy. Give me that target. Come on. A little more push. This is my 33. This is yesterday's close. If I hit target and it didn't fill, now I'll miss by a damn tick. Literally a tick. Come on. Come on. A little more push. We're holding support here. Two standard deviations. Yeah, this went to break even just fine. I don't know why it hasn't. Good enough for the day, guys. Up 620. We were missing 25% of our average monthly daily volume. Today we are missing 34%. This is why we're so damn slow. This is my discretionary trades. Up 725. Is there anybody not making money? My order flow indicator for non-members is 19.95. For members, it's 12.95. Do I have anybody not making money? I told you I was taking this trade on a clean candle break below VWAP. I got it. Hit my targets. Is there anybody not making money at this point? Uh, 620 on the trend bot and micros. That's inaccurate because it did 376 and 358. Okay. And then on PA accounts, the lead account is the lowest for some odd reason. Be that as it may, I'm green. Is everybody green before we end it? Is everybody green today? Everybody make something coming to work? All right, guys. Listen, hey, Mark, you know what? As long as you made money, some days we're going to come in here and we're going to rack them for 1,500. No problem. Other day, here comes that 69. I just don't have enough patience.
I'm stuck in it, so I'm going to wait for 70.
Yeah, it's going to six. I'm telling you, it's going 69 half. It's going to tag that 69. Nice job, Paul. Some days we're going to come in here, guys, and whack them for 1,500 to 2,000. Ted, the bot will trade anything you wanted to trade. I only primarily show the NASDAQ because I don't have screen space to trade other bots. I have 6 screens and they are loaded with charts. I am shutting down for the day, Robert. Ted, let me draw your attention to the left side of my screen. That says MNQ, so that is micros. And on the right side of my screen, if you'll peruse over 12 inches, that's the minis. So I'm trading them both. I'm trading them both. And then for those of you guys that have the original bot, these are the same settings. I didn't run this today. This had a winning long for 10 handles and a winning short for 8 and 20, 28, 38 handles on the 2,500 volume. I didn't bother running it because it's the same settings here. Here comes that 69 half right now, 2 contracts each. I'm running 20 micros, Ted, and 2 minis. Give me 69 half. I know you're going to do it. Oh, did that thing miss by a tick? Greg, it got 68.75. It's a dirt dauber today, man. It's a real dirt dauber. Seriously. All right, guys, we're green.